Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is our ninth video as part of our series of video of the playlist Tally's latest release 7.0. So starting this video, couple of videos, we will cover the next major feature that was provided in release 7.0 is the find. So let us go to Tally and explore the feature of quick find. With the SmartFind feature, TallyPrime provides a powerful way to instantly locate details in master and transaction records from anywhere without opening specific reports across all loaded companies. The best part is that you can find what you are looking for even if you don't remember the exact name or spelling. To find any information, all you have to do is just click the find bar here and type what you are looking for. Let us take a sample use case scenario. Let us say you want to locate the party master transaction for Ambika Enterprises. Now, while typing, instead of typing Ambika, let us say you have typed Anbika. That is, instead of Ambika, let's say we have typed Anbika. Let us see what happens. Press enter. Tally is intelligent enough to interpret your search and provide details of the transaction and master, including similar spellings. We can view the result. They have given similar spelling ledgers in which you will notice Amar Enterprises as well. Next, you will see the transaction voucher type and the voucher number. The next field is critical to understand. The title is Matches Found in. This field shows which field Tally has identified your search name in. Notice the sale voucher number 34. The file result is in the ledger name and it is also appearing in the narration. To check this, all you have to do is select this and press enter or drill down, and you will see Ambika is the ledger name and the same name is being captured in the narration also. Escape, and let us go to the previous voucher, that is sales voucher number 32, where it says the name is appearing only in the ledger. Again, click here to drill down and you will notice that the narration is empty, the name is not being typed here. This section result is related to transactions. The below section is related to masters. You can select and enter to view the ledger master information. Now, if you are looking for any other information you want to type, when you click here on the find bar, you will notice that your previous search word is retain, which is Tally is retaining the history of your search. Now let us type Delhi here and press enter, and you will see that Delhi is appearing in the transaction and in the master. So let us understand. Under transactions, Ambika Enterprises, just double click, and when you select the party master and enter, you will notice under the destination field, Delhi is captured here. This is the subscreen of the party master. Escape. And when you come to ledger master, Amar Enterprises, under ledger master, you find the match in the state field and also in the place of supply field. Again, to cross verify, just select, and one is that you will see the state as Delhi, and where is the place of supply? This is related to GST. So when you come here, set alter additional detail, if you click here, yes, and you will notice that place of supply is Delhi. So that is how Tally is able to quickly retrieve the information that you were looking for, the word Delhi, in the ledger master subscreen and also in the ledger master fields. This is a simple find we had explored, In the upcoming videos, we shall explore multiple criteria using SmartFind. Now, the history will get retained here as you keep typing. For some reason, let us say you want to clear the history. You have a button here. Just click on clear history, enter. Tally is going to again reconfirm. Just enter, and now you will see that the search criteria in your find history has been removed. I hope find is going to help, especially people who are new to Tally. And I basically call this as the delight of the owner, so that you really don't have to go through the menu path and then look for any information that you are seeking. Instead, we can use the quick find and get Tally to look for it. We also saw that how the spelling error is also taken care and gives you a result. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.